Hey, it's your favorite paralegal, aka Cassandra Lynn, and welcome to Legal Doc Talk 24/7. All right, so this is a little case review for Olympian Fred Kersley. As you all are aware, he was locked up, arrested, and charged with the incident that happened in South Miami Beach. In regards to the police officers, he was charged with several things. The last live that I did prior to this morning, we found out that he had additional charges, a whole nother case involving domestic violence and robbery. And come to find out, he's married, has kids, and all that. And it was like, what? It's all a shock to all of us. But I do want to just kind of show you guys where he is currently at with both of those cases. So the first one is the case involving the police officers. Shows that it was filed on the 3rd. That's eventually when he was booked. He was released on his own recognizance. Let's see, doesn't show a bond amount or anything of that nature. Let's see. So his next hearing date will be on January 31st at 9 a.m. The charges that he has is battery, which is felony, resisting arrest without violence, and disorderly conduct, which is two misdemeanors. And then there's nothing new that was on the docket other than them updating when his next hearing is going to be. So that is what's going on with that case. Now, I do remember reading an article, and I could have sworn that the judge didn't consider one of these charges. I cannot remember, but we shall see when it comes to January 31st as to how she would rule. She did make the request that she would like additional information, such as the body cam, to review what happened in its entirety. There were several officers on scene. They were actually responding to another incident, so that means that their body camera was on the whole time. So I know that she's going to have to go through all of the body cams to kind of piece together exactly what happened. We have seen many videos already, the dash cam of one, I believe two officers. I have not seen any other footage. Actually, I take that back because the officer that was dealing with DJ Scott, that's one body cam. Another body cam shows where the officer put his hands up to Fred, kind of like, backing him up from him. And then the other body cam was the officer actually hitting him. So actually, that's three body cams, but there were several officers on scene. So she's going to have to review all of those body cams to kind of make that determination. And I'm sure that the prosecution as well as the defense attorney will do that, and they'll work out, some type of agreement as far as the charges goes. So going on to the domestic violence, let's see, get back in here. So, as it came to pass this morning, we ended up finding out that he was married, has three kids. Didn't even know that. His estranged wife actually lives out here in Texas. The crazy thing is that in a news article, they stated that they have been looking for Fred regarding this particular case. And since he got arrested, then it's like, bam, we got him. Let's go ahead and officially put these charges in. So this was actually filed on the 4th, yesterday. It shows that the bond amount was $5,000. And it was actually issued yesterday as well. His hearing on this one will be February 3rd, 2025. Now, here is the thing. Even though she pressed charges, and it could be an instance where she, you know, didn't want to press charges, whatever the case may be, the state has the last say of whether or not they're going to pick it up. So obviously they picked it up if they've been looking for him. So that's why we see this new well, that's why we saw those charges the other day, and they officially went ahead and filed this. So his hearing is going to be on the 3rd of February. The charges were the robbery and the battery. If you did not see the last video, the wife actually came out and told the story as to what happened with the situation, and that was it. Um, I didn't see any articles out there on the internet, about this story, that because she advised that this incident took place last May. So there wasn't any news reporting on this, nothing of that nature. And the crazy thing is, she actually has been wanting to get a divorce, and he is refusing to give her a divorce. Why? I have no clue, but let this lady go. And then my other thought process is, DJ Sky, were you aware that he was married? But that's neither here nor there. Let me get back into this. And so, one thing I did want to point out is that the judge did order him yesterday to stay away from his wife. So he cannot go anywhere near her. I mean, at this point, bro, give her the divorce. Go ahead, do an uncontested divorce, and leave it at that. I don't know if he's not wanting to give her the divorce because she, will ask for spousal maintenance, or, dealing with the kids, child support, all of that. She lives in Texas, so Mm. I don't think he want a buy, because you got 3 kids. Child support gonna look a bit hefty on that end. But yeah, so he was ordered to stay away from his estranged wife in regards to this case, but he will reappear in court. To discuss these charges, and I will keep you guys updated in that nature. So, y'all definitely let me know what y'all think about this in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, you all be blessed, and I'm out. Bye.